Hi, ma'am, sir. Good morning. My name is Madeline Ormo. I live in Santa Maria, Davao del Sur. 26 years old.
Okay, are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
Okay, how many children do you have?
Two, ma'am.
2 children. Okay, so how about working as a domestic helper? Do you have an experience?
Yes, ma'am. I have an experience to to Mr. Chu Japan, Chinese, ma'am.
Okay, so how many years did you work from them?
4 years, ma'am, until now.
Okay, so how many children do they have?
Two, ma'am, newborn and 4 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so since you work from them, the age is newborn and 4 years old child. So what are your daily routine?
I will take the baby and to for her meals and to her health foods and her vitamins. And the 4 years old child is her meals and vitamins and take a bath and I read her foods every day.
Okay, how about doing the household chores? Are you also the one who did it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the household chores that you also doing? Did you do the cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I do the lunch and breakfast.
Okay, so how about cleaning the house?
I clean the house every day.
Okay, also the laundry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you do the laundry by your hands?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how about doing the marketing job? Can you also do it alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sometimes little children get sick. So, what will you do?
I I I take the ano right I first aid and I
Are you going to inform your employer?
yes, ma'am. I'm going in point to the
Okay.
employer.
Do you know how to get the vital signs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for an instance that you cannot contact your employer in for that moment, so what will you do?
I bring to the nearest hospital, ma'am, and call the employer and them to repair.
You mean call your employer and do the medication and you will bring the baby to the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so um, what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I need some money for my children and shelter them and until them I live in the house in my in-laws.
Okay. You mean you want to provide the shelter for your family because until now you live together with your in-laws.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So can you promise that you will finish your 2 years contract?
I promise, ma'am, sir, I will do my job, do my best, and I'm willing to work to you until the 2 years, and I'm willing to learn some work the other country.
Okay, very good. So I hope that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. So before we end this interview, kindly show us your very best smile. Thank you very much.